Okay, we're up on the roof, hopefully for the last time, for a while to do this. Wonderful. Turns out that this little gap right here, I don't know if it's going to focus on it. Yeah, this little gap is too small to fit in the eye hole up on the rotor, so I need something else. Fortunately, I have something else. So I'll have to go get that and give it another shot. Try it again. Okay, we're going to put the guy wires up. We want our turnbuckles to be spread out, so then when we'll bring in as much slack as we can and then tighten them up with the turnbuckles. You can put them either all the way out or maybe part way in for starters. And to bring all your stuff with you. So here's the final result of erecting this antenna. I have my guy wires up. I didn't have a good shot of these as the way they were. So there they are. That one going that way and the other one going down the other way into the tree. And then my antenna and the mast. I included the choke using the coax. I made the choke there to prevent feedback or currents, unwanted currents going down the coax and into the shack and into the transmitter, the transceiver. And I'd mentioned earlier in the video that there was some kind of interference, something causing a lot of harmonics, and I didn't know what it was. I thought that this might have been the problem. I believe it was the problem, was not having that choke on there. So I added it and that problem went away. I thought it was either something with the power supply or this, and when I did this, no more problem. So I think it was current going down the feed line and going into the shack. And this is the base of the antenna with my my pins here and here to keep this from twisting on here when I rotate it. There's a bar in here, a pipe in here also that goes from the bottom here up to, I think it's up about to here, that these two pins, so it's holding the whole thing. It ain't gonna turn. And then this here is the ground. It's on a screw in the back, and it goes on to my ground rod down here. And then that piece of coax there goes, there's a power outlet over there, or the power box over there, and this goes to there's a ground there. There's two grounds, and this ties the two, bonds the two together, goes through the fence.